Good morning everyone. My name is JAGAN, UKG B section. Today I am going to tell about nature. Nature has given many gifts to us. Leaves and flowers, fruits and nuts, lakes and ponds, waterfalls and sea. 5 more of them let us see. I'm born when it's rain, also on mountain tops. I am a river. I simply never stop. My water is sweet, many fishes live in me. I float to play into a lake or a sea. I am a mountain, a dragon wall. I am so strong, I never fall. On me you'll find many trees and lot of snow. And maybe very hard or maybe quiet low. You know me well, I am a tree. I own to many birds, animals and me. I give you shade, fruits and air to breathe. I am your friend, please do not cut me. I am the rain, I fall whenever I like. Sometimes I am heavy, sometimes I am light. I fill up the well, rivers and streams. I turn the grasses leaves so green. And the mighty ocean, I look green or blue. There are 5 of me, not just 1 or 2. I am fools and fishes, you love to see. To say them simply, you must not into me. Earth is so much cooler. I just don't want to leave anymore. I love nature. Thank you.